Text message marketing. I'm going to show you right now how easy it is to do this type of marketing in your cleaning company. I know a few of you who are a little bit technologically challenged may be scared, but there's no reason to be scared. We do the hard part of the setup for you, and it's super easy once it's all set up. Now, there's a few things to understand first about text message marketing. One, it's very cost effective. It's only about 1 cent per completed text. Secondarily, it's one of the most responsive types of marketing that there is. When you send somebody a text message, they're going to read it. They're going to get it 98 to 99% of the time. About 10 times more effective, if not more, than email marketing. And third, it's super easy. In fact, let's walk through right now and I'll show you exactly how easy it is. Now, when you get your software set up, first there's a couple of quick profiles you need to fill out, then we'll tie the hard part in for you. When you get that done, when we get that done for you, you log in and you go to Contacts. Under Contacts, all you need to do, we'll go ahead and unselect, all you need to do is individually select who you're going to send the messages to, or select here and select everyone, or you can actually tag people, whether they have pets, tile, rugs, whatever type of cleaning that you've done for them, and do a search for the tag here. Whatever you want to do, you just click whatever it is that you want to send to, and then you select, in this case, we'll select all records, and you click Send SMS. All you need to do from there is click, and we provide you an entire list of email or text messages already done. All you need to do is choose which one you want to do, change your company info out in that message, and click Send SMS. Now, you can either send it at a scheduled time if you'd like to as well, if you want to get a little bit more complicated. Again, that takes another good minute and a half. Or send it in drip mode. Drip mode's probably your most ideal, and I would probably recommend to do that and start it on a certain day, end it on a certain day, and repeat every maybe day or every few hours, that type of thing. That way, your phone's not ringing off the hook with everybody getting the messages right away. That's how easy it is. Now, the thing to understand is this is some of the latest technology for marketing out there. Your competition is not doing this. At least most of your competition is not doing this. So when you do it, you not only are connecting with your past clients and your prospects better, but you're also seen as a more professional company. That can help you charge more money in your cleaning business. As well, the other thing to understand is once you've gone through the process of setting all of this up, it's done. Now you have a method to be able to contact your clients and prospects with ease for the cheapest marketing that you can do from here until the end of the time that you have your cleaning business. It is a win-win. Do this and get this done. So right now in the Ad Coaching Club, we are providing the software for free. You even get a $20 credit toward that 1 penny of text message marketing whenever you sign up. And it's not going to be going on much longer. As long as you see that this still says get free text marketing set up, it's still free for the setup when you sign up. So go now, click the link below this video, get signed up for the Ad Coaching Club. We're going to be taking away that bonus in the very near future. So get signed up now. You need to be using this in your cleaning business.